as the person is having stroke, so brain is not properly active. As the brain is not properly active, so then brain activations are not that much there. So as the brain activity is not properly, so that is the lesser position of the brain, low positions are not active. So that is from this particular brain maps by the S Loretta software, you can identify that is which part of the brain is actually active. If we can identify that is which part of the brain is active, that particular position channels can be selected. That is the channel selection. After the channel selection, as already discussed, the EEG signals are having the artifact. Artifact means the noise. Like based on our eye blinking or movement of our jaws or something we are doing unintentionally, based on that noise can be captured by the EEG acquisition device. So that can be understood by the power spectral density.